Okay, so I'm gonna do a little vacuum test on all my vacuums, but I am gonna do like, I don't know, but I might not really do a vacuum test, but I might just do like a little vacuum challenge. I don't really want to do a vacuum test. I was going to, but I don't want to because I don't feel like it. So I'm gonna be doing a little vacuum review on all my vacuums. So the main reason on this vacuum has good quality. I don't know how to say it, but it has good quality. It's really awesome. It's really lightweight. And that was really awesome when I got it. And I think I actually used it. It's really cool. It's got the brush. Your designator. Filter. And another filter. And your handle to see. And you got your attachments, brush, close tool. Oh, come on. Right, okay. Here you go. Your hose. Come on. It's being wet. Your skirt hose. Yeah. These boxes, you need to line them up. Like that. And it locks. Connected to the hose holder. Got your 18 feet cord. Or cord hooks. I'll show you that in a minute. And I might just plug it in for you to see how it runs. Let me turn it off for you. Oh. It's really quiet though. It's pretty awesome. You saw the brush spins. When you're done, you gotta wrap it up. So, yeah. Okay. It's pretty good quality. Pretty awesome. It's got really nice 18-foot cord. Source hose. which I like. I was looking for something really lately to release. Let's see. Gross. It lays down like that. It's pretty neat for a vacuum cleaner. Yeah, it's pretty geeky. Oh, at the same time, it's dark plastic. And yeah, and you're really looking at something really lightweight, and you have a heavy vacuum like a Santa Cleaner or like a more like a Dark Devil or a Timber or they will have, and you get up this Soul Copper's compact. This was a little heavy for me. Yeah, this was a little bit heavy for me to carry downstairs. But I still can make downstairs if I need to. Okay, so if you have a vacuum that's heavy, get a lightweight one. But I like heavy vacuums, but I do not like heavy. Well, I do like heavy vacuums, but I don't like carrying heavy vacuums because they're just too heavy. I'll get kind of tired. It's a little flap. I don't know. It's a little flap. Same time as like, I don't know. So, it's like Star Plastic. It's really awesome. Hose. It's really awesome.
Okay, these are too big. These are your brothers.
Oh. Is the green ones mine?
Wood Lake and downstairs playing?
Yeah, these are really awesome. It's a ball tank. You see. This was really awesome. I don't really need to show you other vacuums. Well, I was going to, but I think I might want to do a vacuum video on this one. So, yeah.
Head downstairs.
So the dust cup is really dirty. There's a lot of dust in there. I vacuumed yesterday. There's so much dust in it.
Okay, let's give you a quick bath, Kristen.
Why? Alright, see you later, bye.